In the last video, I introduced the Eleglide D1 series and I personally view them as our best value, versatile off-road scooters. They are basically my go-to scooters whenever I need to go outside. But at the same time, for many urban dwellers, they might not need an off-road scooter from the beginning. All they're using is for urban environments and avoid expensive public transport struggle. And if price around $500 would be even better. Yes, I hear you out and loud, my friend. That's what this video is all about. Hi, what's up? Sam here. Today, I'd like to present you another two great value electric scooters for city commutes from Eleglide brand, S1 and S1 Plus. Both come with a foldable and lightweight design, a top speed of 24 km/h, an excellent range, and much more. In my opinion, the Eleglide S1 series is the perfect choice for city commuters on a tight budget. Without further ado, let's get started. There's so much good stuff going on with S1 series that I barely know where to begin. The portability is awesome. Unlike many other scooters, you can only fold it down. The handlebar on the S1 series is foldable too. You pull out two handlebars as the arrow suggests and put them down. Perfect for tight spaces. This S1 series is lightweight at around 30 pounds. It's light enough for almost all riders to handle and is easy to pick up and carry thanks to its sturdy and secure folding mechanism. Portability is definitely one of the Eleglide's main strengths. Next to portability is the speed and range. Don't be fooled by the sleek and lightweight design, folks. The 400-watt motor can propel you at a top speed of 24 km/h. Not only that, it even puts out enough power to tackle inclines of up to 20%. However, there is only so much power that a motor of its size can pull out, so if you live in a particularly hilly area, you may want to opt for the Eleglide D1 Master. For battery life, the S1 Plus features a 12.5 amp-hour battery and S1 has an 8 amp-hour capacity battery. So the range on the S1 Plus is 45 km and 30 km on this one. And that's the major difference between the two. Cheaper doesn't mean you have to compromise on comfort either. The S1 series comes with 10-inch pneumatic tires which provide a good level of damping when riding over urban terrain. This is important because it doesn't come with suspension. I tried on different city roads and found it smooth and stable. Moving to the brains of the S1 series, it features an LCD display that shows you the mode. You can short press the mode button to switch between different modes. Mode 1 is 9 km/h, Mode 2 is 18 km/h, and Mode 3 gets you up to 24 km/h. It also shows you the current speed, ODO, and the remaining battery charge. Also, like the Eleglide D1 series, it has a USB port for charging. This S1 series also comes with cruise control mode. To activate it, you simply hold down on the throttle and maintain a constant speed for around 5 seconds. The scooter then turns the cruise control on, leaving you to rest your finger and enjoy the ride. You can also see a cruise icon on the panel. Turn it off is simple, just press on the accelerator or pull the brakes. Overall, the Eleglide S1 series has been designed with comfort, safety, and practicality in mind. From the IPX4 waterproof rating and anti-slip foot deck to the double brake system and front and rear lights, the S1 series feels more expensive than it is. If you want more range, then go to the Plus. If not, the S1 is a good choice. And if you can stretch your budget even more, then I highly recommend opting for the Eleglide D1 series. All links are down in the description. You can check them out if you are interested. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.